Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I have been enjoying my brand new Janome Memory Craft 9850, and this one is the special edition. So one thing I've noticed is that there's not really a lot of videos to help us get going or get started, and so over the last couple of weeks I've had a chance to figure some stuff out. I'm just going to start with one simple thing, is this really awesome automatic needle threader. Now, I had another machine that had another automatic needle threader. However, it didn't work as well. And this one is amazing. If you guys like these videos, please just hit like. I'm not asking you to subscribe. Just check it out and see if this is something you want more of. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is I added my thread to the spool here, and I have it going the right way. And I am on a phone, so you have to forgive me for that. Now, Janome is very good about telling you where to go. So here we go around number 1, okay, number 2, and in number 2 you go through this little slot right here, okay? Make sure you go between these two here. Okay. Now, once you do that, it automatically kind of lets you ride down through here. Okay. And you'll come back up through number 3. And then at the very top, you have this little crown here where we have the number 4. And we will take that around and then back down. Now, there is a little sticker here that kind of gives you a little reminder. You can follow it. I followed it a couple times and I messed up. So you can follow it, but always don't ever give up. Just keep practicing. So once you have this down here, and we're on number 4, we're here on step 5. See 5 here? Now, let's go into here, and we're going to go behind this piece right here. Okay, it looks like that. Okay, so we're going to go behind that. All right, and then there is a piece right here. Okay, right here, and we're going to go all the way over to here, click. Okay, and let me do that again, and I'll be quiet so you can hear it. Ready? Okay, the click. Okay, so then right here is your automatic needle threader right there. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to put the thread, oops, sorry about that, shot, not good, into the, it looks like a little gator's mouth, and see, he's got a little eye, So you just put the thread right into there, and once you do that, you come up and follow number 7 all the way around here to the side to number 8. Now, here comes the hard part. You guys ready for this? There's a little switch right here. Okay? Now you see your needle. No thread in the needle. Now, here's the fun part. You just push this down like this. And when it comes back up, as you can see, it has a thread here in the back and the thread that it has threaded through the machine for you. So this one right here, this is the part where I would get confused, is that this is a little cutter. So you just pull a little bit and it takes that tail off. So no worries about that. And then you come right over here and you get your thread. Oops, sorry about that. You get your thread right here from the back and your needle is threaded just like that. Now, this is just my very first video. I'm going to upload it and see what happens. Thank you very much. I sew because I love it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and want to see some more about the Janome Memory Craft 9850. Let me know. Bye.